Hello, and my name is Daniel Nassim, and my project is on cloud computing. And cloud computing is pretty much an on-demand access of files and data over the internet. This pretty much provides the user another source of storage and files and data instead of having to use hard drives as a storage unit. This provides more accessibility, reliability, and a secure way to save data. One major benefit for this is, let's say, your hard drive crashes and you're working on a major project. With cloud computing, or the cloud, if you have had saved that file, you would have a backup on the cloud instead of having it all lost. And the technology for this is growing each and every day. There's pretty much two versions of cloud computing today. There is IaaS and SaaS. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. Pretty much this is where the user is provided with the storage, virtual machine, physical server, and the ability to run certain applications over the net from the cloud service providers. And it's on a subscription base as well. Meaning you have to pay each month or yearly or every couple months for this service instead of having to pay one-time fee to use it. For example, let's say instead of paying a couple $100 for Microsoft Word, Excel, you can get the new Microsoft 365 Office, which is pretty much their cloud version of the applications. You can use them on the internet, it's on a browser, and you pay each month for using it instead of paying a huge amount at once. You pay for however much you want to use. That's pretty much how it works. This is pretty much the basic of cloud computing, and cloud computing has been developed for the last couple years pretty much. It all started pretty much in the 1960s and 70s where virtual machines were invented, and that inspired the idea for cloud computing, having access another reliable source for saving and using files. That is pretty much cloud computing in its basic, and that was my research project.